Hello everyone. So given that m to the power of 2 equals to m minus 1, we are to simplify m to the power of 5 plus 4m to the power of 3 plus m minus 2. We're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. What we must not do is to try to solve for m. We must resist the temptation to solve for m. But m to the power of 2 equals to m minus 1. This is a quadratic equation. If we find the value of m quadratically and plug these values here, that will be a long process. What we will do, we're going to derive values for m to the power of 3 and also for m to the power of 5. So that when we plug this value here, it will enable us to simplify with ease. So for m to the power of 3, and from our equation, m to the power of 2 equals to m minus 1. If we multiply this very equation with m, then we can achieve m to the power of 3, that is m times m to the power of 2, that is m to the power of 3, equals to this very one is m to the power of 2 minus m. But m to the power of 2 is equals to m minus 1. If you substitute that value, m to the power of 3 therefore will be equals to m minus 1 and minus m, so that m can cancel out. M to the power of 3 therefore will be equals to minus 1, and this is the value for m to the power of 3. Again, for m to the power of 5, our equation m to the power of 2 equals to m minus 1. We can multiply this by m to the power of 3, so that m to the power of 3 times m to the power of 2 will be equals to m to the power of 5, which is equal to m minus 1 times m to the power of 3, and m to the power of 3 is equal to minus 1. And if you do this very one, m to the power of 5 will be equals to minus m plus 1. So we're going to substitute these values in this very equation, that is m to the power of 5 plus 4m to the power of 3 plus m minus 2. And this will be equals to m to the power of 5 is equals to minus m plus 1, that is minus m plus 1, and plus 4 into m to the power of 3 is minus 1. If we close this bracket, plus m and minus 2. And if we simplify this further, we're going to have minus m plus 1, 4 times minus 1, that is minus 4, and this is plus m, and minus 2. And minus m plus m can cancel out. What will be left will be plus 1, minus 4, and minus 2. And this obviously is 1 minus 6. And 1 minus 6 is equals to minus 5. So the simplified form of our equation is equals to minus 5. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please do well to subscribe before you leave. See you in our next video. Bye bye.